Hello? Oh, sis. Hi, sis. Where were you? Your dad. Okay. Ooh, what you got? Nothing important. Okay. Hi, Mom. Hi, Daddy. What do you got? A little toy from the store and some cereal. Okay, go place the cereal in the shelf. Okay. Okay. And I get to unbox my new toy. Ooh, I'm gonna see it. No. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I'm not gonna lie to you, sis, but that is the ugliest toy ever. Where'd you even get it from? A great supermarket? How dare you call my toy ugly? Well, it's just the truth, sis. I don't know. Ugh. Well, I'm not gonna lie. That's like a really ugly toy. I don't care about your opinion, okay? Just shut your opinion right up your... Hi, guys. Huh? Why are you saying this to him? Nothing. I wasn't saying anything. We were just role playing. Yeah. No, we weren't. Okay, that sounded like a bad word. I meant nudge. Nudges. Nudge. Like, I nudged you. Oh my gosh, that's something bad. Anyway. You kids are so getting in trouble. I'm telling Mom. What? Mom. No, I'm so stupid. They do have a dog, so like we should have good dog food, okay? Just don't. I'm just gonna use this house because yeah, why not? And plus I didn't really use like my original family because I don't really know any food in their house, so just don't mind it. And we're just like the dog food, and we're just like the dog food to this lady. Okay. I just don't look like anything anyway. What's the matter? Well, what, okay, so basically, brother was being rude to, sis was being rude to brother, and she was gonna say, shove your finger right up there, and then she's gonna say the word. Oh my god. Feed the dog, will you? Oh, I'm gonna get them in trouble so bad. But it doesn't matter. You kids, why are you fighting with each other? That is no way to talk to your sibling, huh? No, he said it to me. What? I did not. Oh my gosh, I want the truth right now, right here. Did you say, shove your opinion right up here, and then we're gonna say the A word? Well, maybe, but there's no buts in this. You are going to apologize to him right here, right on the spot, and I'm watching. Sorry. I'm sorry for saying that. No, I don't mean it, but okay. I'm going to bed. You, Missy, are going to be grounded. You have to explain to me how this fight started, but don't wake your mother. Whatever. This old lady doesn't even know how to talk anyway. I am gonna go here and see over here. Ooh, I have an idea. You never know. Oh, hello. Wow. Oh, you're so sweet. Why are you going to please help? No. Oh, okay. How do you want your mail delivered? How do you want that's me. Okay. Excuse me, lady. Yeah, and then what? Get out of the way. Hey, sir. Can I look inside your house? Oh my goodness, what are you trying like you doing inside my door? Go back to your mom's apartment. Now, child. Please. Just gonna be wondering where you are. Madison! Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh gosh, she's gonna get so mad. Madison, where are you, miss? Where are you? I do not have time to play games. Hi, Mom. I was just... Madison! Okay, you are grounded, Missy. You have done enough today. I am locking this door. You are not leaving this house. Where were you going? To the neighbor. No way. We just moved here. You are not going to go to the neighbor's house. Do you realize how dangerous that was? No, Mom. That wasn't dangerous at all. They're my friends. No old men and old women are... They're as old as you, old lady. You cannot be talking. What did you just say to me? There's literally an old woman right there. I am not going to let you go to some old people's house. I'm not saying that they're a problem, but I'm not letting you go with that without my consent. That is very irresponsible of you, miss. Go back to your room, and I'm going to have a talk with you tomorrow, today, and tonight. I don't care. I didn't ask for your opinion. Now, can you just go? Fine. Do not give me attitude. This child, what is wrong with her today? It's such a weird day. But I'm just gonna go ahead and help myself to a drink. Oh, some nice caramel vanilla coffee. Wait, you know what? I should put it in my favorite cup. Alright. Put that there. Alright. Now I can finally relax for one time.